but I love teaching people how to use the Instant Pot or just how to make simple, easy recipes that you can throw together in literally a matter of minutes. So yeah, if you guys are ready, let's get cooking. I'm excited to be here. Okay, so the first thing, oh no, I've lost my spoon. Oh, we're fine. Okay, so there is one step that I am not showing you. So I took 1 pound of hamburger and 1 onion and I just browned it up. So just until your onions are soft and your meat's cooked all the way through. So this is gonna go in the bottom of your Instant Pot. So just throw it in on there. Okay, nice. Okay, now we are going to add just 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And you can literally just like throw it on top and just, yeah, not have to touch it or anything. It will all cook nice for it. Now we're gonna throw in 1 box of medium shells. If you guys can see this, medium. So we're just gonna throw that on top, all over, on top of the meat. Okay, that will cover the whole thing. Then we're gonna take our spaghetti sauce. Now, it's very important. The spaghetti sauce is gonna separate the meat and the shells. So you only want to pour the sauce just right on top of the shells, and you want to cover all the shells. If you don't cover any shells with the sauce, they're gonna be a little bit crunchy, so make sure shells are covered. Also, if you hear a little someone in the background, all my kids are home from school. I just thought it'd be fun to film today. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure all the sauce is covering all the shells. There we go. Okay. Now I have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, or just garlic powder. I love garlic salt. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix it with my finger, and then just pour it right on top of your sauce. There we go. Okay, now here's the tricky part. We need to get like water to those noodles, and so we're gonna take just a little spoon, make a little opening, like push the sauce and the noodles a little bit away so you can pour your water into the bottom of that. I love cooking my sauce, my noodles, everything at the same time, and so this just makes it possible. So we're gonna carefully pour the water into my little hole that I made. There we go. Perfect, so this was 3 cups of water that I did. Okay, you might see a little bit water come up over the sauce. That's okay. I'm just gonna take and make sure all the noodles are covered with something, whether it's sauce or, yeah, the water. Now the trick is you do not want to mix this. Please do not mix this, because if you do, it's gonna burn. So you're gonna leave meat, noodles, sauce, pour in your water, and just kind of be done. So I'm gonna put the lid on now. Now if you have a little knob, make sure it's turned to sealing, not venting. Then, let's see, we're gonna push cancel here because I was already cooking something. So we're gonna do pressure cook, and it's only gonna cook for 5 minutes. It is pasta, so it will cook very quickly. So while this cooks, I'm gonna set to the side real quick because I already made them for you so you guys can see. So I let this beep and then I just pulled it right out. So if you can see, there's not a lot of water. There's not a lot of extra liquid, so we're just gonna mix this up pretty good. I love making recipes like this because you don't have to dump the water out. You can just start mixing and then add in the rest of the stuff. So, okay. Beef looks good, noodles look good, everything looks good. Okay, next, we're gonna add just 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I buy the pre-shredded. If you've been watching here for a while, you know that that's the kind of cheese I buy. Then we're gonna just take 4 ounces of cream cheese and just put it in there too. Make sure the noodles will get it nice and hot and melty. It'll be good. And then you can do about a 1/2 cup to a cup of half and half. If you don't want to use half and half, I actually just like to use just normal milk. It still gives it that creamy flavor and texture with that creamy texture without, all the extra calories. So it's up to you. We just add some milk. So I'm just going to add about 3/4 cup of milk right here. Okay, I'm just going to mix this all together. Now this makes quite a bit, but if you have a large group to feed, you could easily double this if you have an 8-quart. This is what I'm gonna bring up to a family reunion that we're gonna have pretty soon. And yeah, just make a giant batch of it for the kids because they love it and my husband loves it too. So it's a win-win, right? All right, gonna finish mixing here. So yummy, so delicious, man, so easy. All right, guys, that is it. Dinner is done. Yes, I'm so excited. Anyways, now I can talk. I'm fine. Now, if you guys haven't heard about our new Instant Pot cookbook, it is almost here. It is coming out in November. You can pre-order it. I'll put a link down below in the description for you so you guys can have it. And yes, we are so excited. We have a lot of other fun things coming. So make sure that you are subscribed and hit that little bell so you won't miss any of our fun announcements and things coming up. All right, guys, now if you want more easy dump and go recipes, you can find more just right over there. And I'll see you guys later.